Turn a tiny box into a cute keepsake with just a few simple techniques. For this project, you will need a small box, acrylic paint, a paintbrush, tissue or napkin with an image on it, scissors, Mod Podge, small seashells, seed beads, craft glue, and a metallic Sharpie. Start by painting your box with the acrylic paint. To choose the base color, I would recommend matching it to the background of your image on your napkin or tissue paper so that you don't have to cut it out as carefully. You might want to do 2 coats, letting each dry in between to get full coverage. Then let the box dry completely. Cut out the image that you want from your tissue paper or napkin. If you're using a napkin, make sure that you use the top layer only. You want to separate off those bottom layers. Cut out your image. If you've done the base color of your box the same color, you don't have to be too exact with your cutting. Decide where you want to place the image on the top of your box along with any other items that you'll be using. I'm going to use 2 tiny seashells here along with some seed beads around the edge. So the important thing is to see where I want my image to go so that I place it properly. Use Mod Podge to stick your image in place. Just make a thin layer just in the area where the image will be. You don't want to do the whole box yet. Place the image on and then do a thin layer of Mod Podge over the top, making sure to smooth out any wrinkles with your brush. Use the metallic Sharpie to add detail to your box. For this one, I'll do all of the edges on the top and the bottom, and then I'll add some extra detail. Once the ink is dry, then cover the rest of your box with Mod Podge so that it has an even finish on the whole thing. When the Mod Podge is dry, use a craft glue to glue on any extra decorations that you want. I'm adding 2 small seashells to match my crab image, and then some blue seed beads all around the edge. Once the glue is completely dry, your box is ready to use. Please subscribe to my channel for more great craft ideas.